friends, this is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up, and with Mother's Day coming up, we're going to make DIY garden stones with my kids' footprints. And I found these really awesome stepping stone molds that we're going to use from Hobby Lobby. Now you can use all different kinds of molds like pie tins or whatever, but I thought these were pretty cool. I found these stone stamps. This will make it easier because I don't really like my handwriting much, so that'll make it easier when I put the boys' names and the year on it. And then also at Hobby Lobby, I found some mosaic stained glass and mosaic accents, little glass gems, and mosaic accents sea glass. Some different things we'll put inside. And you're also going to need some chicken wire, some wire cutters, a trowel or a shovel, a 5-gallon bucket to mix your concrete in, something to mix your concrete with. And then I got this fast set concrete mix at Menards, and then obviously you're going to need your water to mix it with. So first thing you're going to do is cut your chicken wire so that it'll fit down in the bottom of your container that you're going to use as a nail. And as you can tell, my children are outside right now. In the meantime, my husband is mixing the concrete. Okay, after you're done with your first step of cutting your chicken wire pieces, you want to make sure you're going to fit inside your mold. The second step is to mix your concrete. Okay, now that your concrete is mixed, you're going to dump a small amount in the bottom of each pan. And place your chicken wire inside, like that. Then going to pour some more on top. Kind of moving it all out. And now for the fun part, we're going to make the footprints. Let's try this.
Yeah. Yay.
You can even see his toes.
Yeah.
So through trial and error, we're going to let it sit a little bit longer to let it thicken before we start the footprints.
Oh, wow.
So now we're going to go ahead and try to do the footprints again. Thomas. Yeah, perfect. Let's do one more. Maybe we should just go ahead and just do him. So today we ended up just doing Thomas for now. Tomorrow we'll do Jamison's feet then. So now we're going to take our little stamps and start their names. So Thomas's name is done. Look how nice that looks. Now we're going to put the year on the bottom. So here's how they look after I used the letter and number stamps. Now I'm going to get some of the mosaic pieces, just kind of make it random. We actually ran into a big complication. While I was putting in the decorative pieces, it started sprinkling, so it got too wet to continue until I moved it to the garage and let it dry a little bit. I had to smooth out the letters and the numbers again and have to redo it, but I think we were able to salvage the footprints mostly without having to redo those. I think they turned out pretty good. So we're going to let these dry in the garage over the next 48 hours. And once these are dry and the project is completely finished, we're going to take them out of the molds and then we're going to use the molds to finish Jamison's footprints. Alrighty, guys, it has been 48 hours since we started this project for Thomas's footprints. Unfortunately, it's kind of rainy outside, so we won't be able to start Jamison's today. And the lighting's not too great in here, but this is our finished project so far. So now let's pop them out of the molds and see what they look like completely finished. I'm going to put this towel down here because I don't want it to crack on the concrete when I do this. Wow, that popped out of there pretty easily. Better than I expected. That looks awesome. we're back again, and now we're going to do Jamison's footprint garden stone. We already prepared some stuff to make this video a little easier. We had some trouble with the last one, so here we go. So we're going to put a little bit in the bottom of each pan.
Good job, buddy. Sit down. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, Bubba. Yeah, Bubba.
Oh.
Bubba. Okay, now we've got them all smoothed out and they're ready for the footprints. Oh, it's still good. Put your foot down. Toes out. Straighten your toes out. Silly boy. Okay, so this is what Jamison's footprints ended up looking like. Hopefully that one turns out okay. These ones look pretty good though. So, I finally finished working on Jamison's. Sorry, the lighting's not very good in here. It's gotten kind of late and I had to move it into the garage because it's still kind of rainy outside again today. I will let them sit for 48 hours just like I did Thomas's, and I'll show you the finished product when it's all done. Thank you. Yay! They're completely done now, guys. How awesome are those? Jamison's are a little bit darker in color because I popped them from the molds a little bit earlier. They'll end up looking just like Thomas's after I let it sit for a little longer though. These are going to make awesome Mother's Day gifts for myself, my mom, and my mother-in-law. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe below.